Good evening, everyone. I am Jennifer Joanna Begali. Hello and welcome to the Home Decor Hall, a dedicated design of a food services. In this output, you shall see the fast food restaurant interior design. And the fast food restaurant decor is the first element that captures the attentions of consumers, as it is what will make them want to come in and see what you have to offer. And the decoration is one of the characteristics that will allow you to make a difference with respect to the competition, as well as make people remember you for providing an ideal space for a perfect evening. The first thing is to establish what the concept of style of the fast food restaurant will be. You can try informally your own style into your fast food restaurant, although it may be easier to stick to one of the styles that are popular wherever you go, such as old West style, minimalist style, or contemporary style. In the fast food restaurant, functionality is more important than any other aspect and always aim to facilitate the fast flow of the customer. So, you can say that my layout video, di ba na yung mga kuan dito, every lain-lain nga design na kanang makapadani sa customers. So mo to akong naplanuhan nga mo to akong pilion kay kuan man gud kana naa dito ang old versions, then naa sa dito ang makapadani sa tao na which is kana different styles nga ilang gusto nga i-adapt, then nga makaparelax sa ilang huna-huna, then ganahan sila nga musud sa imong restaurant nga dili sila boringan. So naa dito ang lain-lain nga difference sa pagkanang like sa mga bangko. Ang akong bangko na sa modern, then ang iyang food, di ba, more on innovation. Then mo na kung gusto kay mo man naroy uso sa mga tao, kailangan sila innovate. Then di ba kung unsa may uso karon mo man say sundon. So mo to kung gipili nga design nga makapa-attract sa mga customers. So that's all. Thank you.